So here we've got a question where we're going to prove that this thing here is always a multiple of 8. Now this is the sort of thing you will get on an exam, but at the moment I'm recording this in the middle of an online learning, and for your Google Forms I might ask you what's the highest number that can always be divided into this. So to do these questions, let's expand the bracket. Now when we expand the bracket, just a quick reminder that it's this thing multiplied by the bracket again, which gives us n squared, 6n, 6n, and 36. So that first one is n squared plus 6n and 6n is 12n, and 36 at the end. Take away, and then I'm going to keep this in a bracket, and I'm going to expand the second bracket. Now I get n squared, 2n and 2n, so it's 2 lots of 2n, and 2 times 2, which is 4. Now I'm going to take away everything in this bracket from the first bracket. N squared take away n squared, no n squared. 12n take away 4n gives me 8n. And 36 take away 4 is plus 32. Now what I want to do is to try and factorize that. So find a number that divides into 8n and 32. And not just factorize it, but find the highest number. So the highest number that divides into both of those is 8. So we're going to take 8 out, and we're left with n plus 4. Now if I try and divide this expression by a number, what's the highest number that I can divide into it? It's 8, because every time this can be divided by 8. So I can divide this by 8. So therefore we have 8 as the highest common factor, or always a multiple of 8.